I wanted to enroll in the Career Academy because I didn't necessarily know what I wanted to do after high school. So first I started with the engineering pathway and realized it wasn't necessarily for me. So then I moved on to the health career pathway, and I think I found what I want to do in life, which is pursue medicine. In the health pathway, I've learned the basics of medicine. I've learned medical terminology, which is not only beneficial to my health classes, but also my other sciences. I've also learned the work ethic that is needed for the health career field. So having to go through multiple health career classes has helped me know what specific type of career field I want to go into as well. It is pretty different to begin with, but it's so cool because at WIT we're able to use the skills that we learned in class and we put them out with the practical use. And I think that's what is important with the Health Career Academy, is that you learn the skills in the class, but then you come down to a lab or a real setting and you use those skills. So you get practice and you're not uncomfortable around those skills when you're going out to the actual world. Even if you're not interested in any of the career fields that are being offered through the Sioux City Community School District, you still learn a lot about your work ethic. You learn how to work well with others, which is good for any other field as well. And it's just a different environment that you can learn through. So sometimes people are able to find out what kind of learner they are through these career pathways.